Hey guys, this is Ajay. Let's get started. So today we are going to see a hands-on on S3 lifecycle rule. This is going to be the workflow. That is, we are going to move between storage classes, general purpose, infrequent. Why? Because we are going to reduce cost of storage. That is, normally we are using S3 general purpose. So to further reduce cost and do cost cutting for our clients, we are going to access all this with the help of S3 lifecycle rule. So moving between storage classes, we are having three major types. That is, we can do it manually. We can do it manually, like we can move between these storage classes manually by clicking the AWS console, or we can give a predefined lifecycle rule. We are having lifecycle rule. So this is some kind of semi-automatic, and this is intelligence tier. AWS itself, this is for unpredictable data which we can't predict lifecycle rules. That is, AWS itself will, with the help of AI and ML, it will automatically find and it will change between the storage, all the storage classes. So what is meant by general purpose? The normal S3 storage which we use is called general purpose, and the name itself implies that infrequent. That is, the data which is infrequently accessed will be stored in infrequent, and the data which is infrequently accessed can be in multiple regions, right? Multiple zones. So if we are only using zone cost, so we are having this option. And for glacial family, we are having three glacier. That is, data which is stored more than 1 year and which is not been accessed. Like glacier, it is getting it is getting frozen, right? So like that data is which is getting frozen for 1 year and we are not accessing. It comes under these three. So in these three, we are having glacial instant retrieval. That is, we can after 7 years or 8 years, we can instantly retrieve data. And glacier flexible retrieval, that is, we will be flexibly retrieving that it will be very instant. Within 5 minutes we will be getting, and flexible it will take some time, like 12 hours or 24 hours. It will be the data will take for retrieval. That is, after storing, when we take out, it is called retrieval. And this is deeply hard. That is, we cannot retrieve very fast. It is very, very hard. This is the lowest. This is the lowest cost that, because it is very deeply archived and it is taking large time for retrieval. So the cost is like this. So first one is higher cost, second one is lower cost than the previous, third one is lower cost than the previous. Likewise, when we go till this is the lowest cost. So this is how we go between moving between storage classes using lifecycle rule. And when it comes to that is automatically AWS, we have to pay some amount for AWS, because AWS is process our data and it will decide which storage we should store. Lifecycle rule is we will decide. So let's move on to the hands-on. So go to AWS, create a bucket. Lifecycle rules. Lifecycle rule hands-on. Enable closing part and create a bucket. So this is the bucket which we have created. Go into it. Below the management tab, we will have lifecycle rule. Previously, we have done replication. So today we are going to see lifecycle rule hands-on. So create lifecycle rule. After giving this, give a name. Test lifecycle, and then apply to all the objects. I acknowledge. So we are having different types of that is, move the current version. We have already seen versioning. So the latest version will be moved between the storage class, this option. And for non-current version, we can choose this. When we choose this, we can have console here. We can add as many. We can add as many and give the number of days. So here itself, we are having the number of days. For S3 IA, it is 30 days minimum storage. So for example, let's give us 30. For intelligence tier, so let's remove the intelligence tier. So we are only having this. one zone. One zone is also 30. So I'm just doing for hands-on purpose. It is 90. So after giving this, and also we are having expire current version of the object. If we give like this, is after 1 year, our data must be expired and it can be permanently deleted. Delete object expiration, delete marker, or incomplete multi-part upload. This option, if we choose, we can delete the delete marker from our version files. And if we want to permanently delete, then we can give this. So we have varieties of AWS option. Let's explore the below. So this is for non-current version, which we have to be moving between the storage classes, and expire current version of the object. Like I have current version, it should automatically expire within 6 months. It depends upon our clients and business requirement. The permanent non-current, everything depends on client requirement. First, check your client business requirement, and according to that, you can say these numbers. So this is totally depends on how you get the project or how the client needs. By doing this, we can reduce the cost of our storage. When it will be when we create rules, automatically the rules will be created, and after creating the rules, the file which is when we upload, like upload a file. When I upload, it will obey all the rules which we have uploaded. Thank you, guys.